Verifying your Uphold account is a key step to unlock all features, increase your transaction limits, and ensure compliance with financial regulations. The required documents fall primarily into two categories: proof of identity and, sometimes, proof of residence. For proof of identity, Uphold generally requires a valid, government-issued photo identification. Acceptable forms include a passport, a national ID card, or a driver's license. The document must be current, not expired, and you will typically be asked to provide a clear photo of both the front and back if it's a driver's license or ID card. As part of this process, Uphold also requires a real-time, clear photo of your face, often called a selfie, to match against the photo on your official ID. This is done to confirm your identity and prevent fraud. Additionally, you may be asked to verify your residential address. This is more common if automatic address verification fails or if you are seeking higher transaction limits. If required, proof of address documents can include a utility bill, a bank statement, a credit card statement, a tax return, a council tax bill, or a government-issued certification of residence. Any such document must display your full name and current residential address, and typically be dated within the last 3 months. For U.S. residents, you will also be required to provide your Social Security number for compliance purposes. To ensure a smooth verification process, make sure the documents are clearly photographed or scanned, with no glare, no cropping of corners or text, and that the information matches the details you provided during account registration. You will usually complete the upload process directly through the Uphold app or website, following the on-screen instructions.